If you're a drone operator looking to expand your service offering, Agremo is here to help. Watch the video and discover how you can offer more value, save time, and grow your business with Agremo. Agremo delivers actionable insights, not just images. Our users sell high-value analyses like stand count, weed detection, plant vigor, and prescription maps. These help farmers save time and money and grow the DSP business. It's fully cloud-based, with unlimited map storage, branded reports, and easy sharing. Plus, we offer full integration with DJI and XAG drones, so your workflow is smooth, from flight to analysis. Farmers cut chemical use by up to 60%, optimize spraying, and avoid yield loss through early problem detection. That's real value DSPs can offer and profit from. Absolutely. Our partners have already mapped over 3 million acres worldwide and counting. Follow us and get your free demo today. Click the link below and let's grow your drone business together.